hold on. Here comes Kimberly a-running. Never seen you run so fast. Unless it was a dick in front of your face. All right. Last number tonight for Miss Crystal Candlelabra. The lady with the legs. Furniture you want, honey, just sit on it or lay on it. Ooh, take that back with you. Here, take it back with you. Give it to Tommy. Tommy. Oh, Tara's.
A double engine.
Yeah, it is. She takes the both up her ass.